Arraial do Cabo is one of the main artisanal fishing hubs in Brazil, where net fishing is widely used. This technique allows the capture of species such as sardines, jacks, and croakers, which are essential to the local economy. However, fishermen must follow strict rules to avoid environmental impacts. One of the main problems is the accidental capture of sea turtles, species protected by law. If a fisherman is caught fishing or killing a turtle, he or she can receive fines ranging from $5,000 to $50,000, in addition to other penalties. To avoid this situation, fishermen must use appropriate nets and immediately release any turtles caught. Preserving marine life is essential to maintain sustainable fishing and protect the ecosystem of Arraial do Cabo. What do you think of these measures? Comment your opinion.
Yeah.